Hey campers! Today we're going to be making these friendship bracelets out of yarn. They're super fun and easy to make, and they're perfect for a rainy day afternoon activity. So here is the yarn that I chose to use, and I chose the colors yellow, purple, and white. Next you want to cut 2 pieces of each color, and you want to make them pretty long as we're going to be making a full-length bracelet. And you're going to lay the colors out in a pattern. So I chose yellow as my first color, then purple, then white, and then you want to reverse the pattern and go white, purple, yellow. Next I tied them in a knot and taped them to my desk. You want to lay all the colors out in the pattern that we talked about earlier, so yellow, purple, white, and then white, purple, yellow. And you want to lay them out far apart. So you're going to take your first color, which for me is yellow, and you're going to cross it over your second color so that it looks like a 4. And then you're going to weave it underneath the purple to make a knot, and then slide the knot up to the top. And you're going to do this twice for each string. So after I did 2 knots with yellow over purple, then I did 2 knots of yellow over white, moving from left to right, so from the outside to the center. So after you've reached the center, going from left to right, you want to switch to the other side, and you're going to make a reverse 4 with the first color, so mine is yellow still, and then you're going to weave it underneath, and you're going to do the same thing until you get to the center again. So once you reach the center, you should have 2 of the same color, and you're going to do 2 reverse 4 knots. So once you've done that all with the first color, you're going to repeat it with the second and third color until you get something that looks like this. And this is after I've done it for a while. It takes a lot of time and patience, but it turns out really nice. And there is your bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I added a link in the description below if you wanted a tutorial that's a little more in detail. But as always, thank you for joining us, and I hope you guys have a good day.